I mean, I really miss them, and I'm going no contact right now because I'm hoping that they'll miss me and they'll want to come back to me, which I totally understand and respect where you're coming from. Can I share with you my professional opinion about using no contact to get an ex back? Yeah, go ahead. Based in my experience, you don't use no contact as a way of getting an ex back. It's designed as a way to help you heal to move on. And though it may feel hellish at times because a lot of people can't move on without thinking about how much their ex loved them or whether they actually cared at all, and that's a different thing altogether. The fact of the matter is, it's designed to protect your peace so you're no longer triggered by reminders of them, so that way you can move into the next phase of your healing to get to an ultimate destination of indifference. Can I just ask, for my own benefit, where did you find information about this that you could use no contact to get an ex back? I was just looking online on YouTube and there are tons of coaches telling you how to get an ex back through no contact. And I totally get it. Look, I thought these coaches had some great promising advice, but honestly I found that it fed into my hopes which weren't serving me. And this person didn't come back to me when I tried it. And honestly, based on the experience I've done, whether or not these avoidantly traded folk come back or not is entirely up to them. But if they haven't worked through their insecurities, the cycle will happen again, and it's got nothing to do with whether you use no contact or not. The way I've used no contact before is to try and protect my peace and to heal off the back of abusive situations, or if there's been a known ongoing issue between me, a family member, a friend, a loved one, and I'm taking that time away and space to heal, reflect, and then come back to it with them months later.